Welcome to another episode of Black Atlas Goings On. My name is Kenny, aka Black Atlas, and you're about to find out what's goings on. Today, we got Asian barbecue chicken wings goings on. We are on recipe number 12 in the French Door Air Fryer 360 recipe book. So we are going to go ahead and go through the ingredients one by one, and then we are going to go through the steps one by one. So, first, we have 2 pounds of chicken wings, split, tips removed. Did it myself. Then we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, the zest of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 1/4 cup of cilantro. And a beer. That's an ingredient for me, not the wings. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with the directions step by step. And it says in the first one, in a bowl, combine the marinade ingredients. And then reserve 2 tablespoons of the marinade. So, let's go ahead and get the marinade ingredients put into a bowl and mixed up. And then put on top of the chicken wings. Alright, here we go. I have the 2 tablespoons of the marinade set aside. And then next it says, marinate the wings and the rest of the marinade for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. So, what we are going to do is, I already have gloves on to mix this chicken up. So, I am going to go ahead and put this marinade in here with the chicken and all over the chicken. Alright. Says to mix it up in the bowl and then let the chicken marinate for half an hour. So I am going to pour this marinade over the chicken. Okay. I have my 2 tablespoons of marinade set aside here. And then it says to marinate the chicken and the rest of the marinade in your refrigerator for half an hour. So I am going to go ahead and get this marinade on this chicken and mix it up in this bowl and then set it in the refrigerator for a half an hour, and then I will see y'all back in a half an hour when we move on to step 2. Okay. Okay, here we go. We are on step number 2, and we are going to place the wings on the crisper tray, and then slide the crisper tray into shelf position 4 or 5, and the baking pan into shelf position 6 to catch the drippings. So, let's go ahead and get the chicken wings out of the refrigerator for marinating. And the step says to place the wings in the crisper tray. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's give these one last good shake. And then marinade. Smells good. Okay, that took longer than expected, but y'all didn't even see it because I edited that part out. So, next we are going to slide the crisper tray into shelf position 4 or 5 and slide the baking pan into shelf position 6 to catch the drippings. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around so we can see the air fryer 360 and get those settings put in place. Okay, here we go. We are over at the French door air fryer 360 and it says slide the crisper tray into shelf position 4 or 5. And you can always tell where it is by on the door. Looking at eye level, that is the baked toast and air fry and eggs level. And then we are going to slide the baking pan into shelf position 6 to catch the drippings. Okay, here we go. We are in shelf position 4 or 5 for the wings, and then shelf position 6 for the baking pan to catch the drippings. I did cover the baking pan in foil just because I wash dishes here, not you. So I'm gonna make it as easy clean up for me as possible. So let's go ahead and get this shut. And then it says to select the wings setting. There's the wings setting. And set the cooking temperature to 450. 450. And the cooking time to 15 minutes. Cooking time to 15 minutes. And let's go. And apparently it has the preheat for the wings setting. So that is going to preheat, and then it's going to let me know when it is time for it to start. It is in the air fryer 360 at 450 for 15 minutes. And then it is preheating now, and after it preheats, the 15-minute timer will start. And then it says, when the wings are fully cooked, toss them with the reserved 2 tablespoons of marinade and then serve. So, let's go ahead and let this go, and I will let y'all know when it is done. See y'all in a few, at least 15 minutes. Probably about 20 since it's got a preheat. But I'll see y'all in a few. Okay, so the timer just went off on the air fryer 360. Let's go ahead and grab one of these wings and pull them out and make sure that they are up to temperature. They smell good. I have my instant read. Yep, so it looks like they are done. So I will go ahead and get these tossed. I will go ahead and get these tossed and then get them put on a platter, and then we will go ahead and taste one and see how it tastes. Alright, I'll see y'all back on the other side. Okay, as you can see, the wings are all done. I have them on a nice platter here. That way you get to see them, see what they look like. And I'm going to go ahead and go in for the taste test here. I'm a flats person, not a drums person. But let's see here. It's definitely got a lot of flavor. You can taste the soy sauce. You can taste the ginger in there. You can definitely taste the cilantro. It's definitely real good. But I'm not going to take up much of your time. I'm going to go ahead and get these wings out to my family. But like I said, this is definitely pretty good. You can taste it. I think it does need a little bit more seasoning, like a little bit more salt and pepper. But all in all, it's pretty good flavor. So this has been Kenny, aka Black Atlas. And until the next video, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Come on, give me that thumbs up on the video. You know you want to. It doesn't cost you anything to do it. And it helps out the channel. So, like I said, I've been Kenny, aka Black Atlas. This has been Black Atlas Goings On. And this was recipe number 12 in the French door air fryer 360, which were Asian barbecue chicken wings. I will see y'all in the next video.